Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be finishing out these seats. You see how there's one left? I wish I would have recorded the other ones, but I thought, hey, you know what? Let's start a YouTube channel and show people what we do around the shop. We plan to bring a bunch of content, hopefully. The interior here, we're going to take in the next few, we're going to finish out in the next few weeks. So we'll show you that process. We hope you stay tuned. Let's get right into it. So a little bit about me. I'm not a professional auto upholsterer by any means, and this is not meant to be a tutorial. But instead, I wanted to document what goes on in the shop as we work on classic cars on the day-to-day as a hobby. These seats are going into the 1934 Ford that you can see behind me. It's actually a fiberglass car, believe it or not, that I've painted with a faux patina process. Our goal was to create a rusted out beach racer, and I think it's coming out well. The first step is to cut out the hog rings and remove the cover from the cushion. In this case, the cushion looks to be in fair condition for our application. If you have any experience working on classic cars, you know that your day is full of distractions, detours, and misdirections. But this is a good one. Joey's bringing in the wood for the trim panels that are going inside.
Close the door! It's getting cold!
Our buddy Joe came by and sat with us for a while. He's been a car guy ever since he was old enough to reach the pedals. He's got a 73 Mustang and he wants to bring it by so that I can look at his busted door panel. Joe's a huge hunter and he's always welcome at the shop, especially when he brings deer meat like he did today. I actually think the most tedious part of auto upholstery is the disassembly of the actual seat panels.
You're a real Mexican for this.
You are a real Mexican.
What are you talking about? I'm half and half. I need one that could be drilling all day long.
You're half what? What half are you?
Irish. My mom's Irish.
You're half Irish, half Mexican? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Wow, you think you know a person. So what you're saying is you need a Mexican man in your life?
Need a Mexican what?
You need a Mexican man in your life? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Order in stick.
I knew a guy that drilled through a forearm like this. He put the forearm here. He was drilling through a roof and it went in. And the worst part was he had to reverse the drill to pull it back out. What's easier, building cars or building cabinets for speakers?
Building cars.
The most important part of this process is to make sure you have plenty of reference marks or you'll never get the seat back together again. We want the new seat covers to fit just like the old ones, maybe even better. And yet again, another distraction. The CUDA needs to move because we have another car coming in. Joey's son and his friend from work are bringing in an S10 that needs a little love. Supposedly it's a hot rod and it's an in and out job and should be gone in the morning. But you know how that goes. Seeing it all come together is so rewarding. There's nothing like the creative process. An idea that was once in your head becomes reality with a little hard work and a few fun distractions.
A little bit of a water enough right now, but can't be anything worse than what I got right here.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow, that's the LT4, right?
LT4, huh? This is the other one.
And just like that, with the power of editing, we finished out the seats and we're ready to move on to the door panels.
Pull the seats out. It's not a 12. You want to try to draw something here, though?